Welcome back, people. Happy New Year. Long time no see. So if you're just coming across my face for the first time, you're welcome here. This is HBM Organic Beauty. On this channel, I teach you how to make your own skincare product yourself. I do skincare talk. I talk about herbs. And if you don't know, I'm an esthetician. And if you doubt that, please go check my video on my aesthetic training, and you will know that yes, I'm a certified esthetician, skin esthetician. So you're welcome here. I know most of you know that I was pregnant. Yes, I've been pregnant all throughout last year, and yes, I had my baby on December 9th. So I know you'll be wondering why the long distance, why the long break. Yes, is it not what it's like? I deserve it, right? So I've been on break. I've not been giving out content for like a month now, and just to tell you guys that yes, we have resumed content creation. This time around, I'll be giving you content bomber to bomber. You know, I'm a new mom, and yes, I still have a little baby with me, so I'm doing a whole lot of things: content creation, doing business, taking care of a newborn, inclusive with 2 daughters, making 3 children. You know, it's not easy. Blending all these things together is actually not easy. But of course, that is not going to stop me from creating content, because trust me, creating content is what I love doing the most. It's what keeps me going. If I don't do this thing, it looks as if something is missing in my life. Because of my love for making skincare product, for creating skincare product, for bringing skincare product to life, like bringing a formula to life. Like when you draft out a formula and you put it to test, it came out well, and you're happy you brought it to life. That is what makes me fulfilled as a skincare formulator. So yes, on this channel, I'll be giving you guys bomber to bomber how to make plenty DIYs. Like for now, I am not doing anything pro mixing. I'm not doing product review for now, but I'll be doing a whole lot of DIYs, teaching you how to make your own personal skincare product yourself. In case you're tired of buying skincare product out there, I'll be teaching you how to make simple skincare product that you can easily make for yourself, and your skin will glow. So I'll be teaching you as a beginner, and also for those people that are already pro. Yes, trust me, stay tuned to this channel, because everybody learn 1 or 2 things from another person. Despite the fact that I know how to make skincare product, at times when I see some people's videos, or probably I enroll for a training and I feel like, oh, like everything they're teaching in that training is what I know, I still gain 1 or 2. So do not just look down on anybody, even though you are a pro, or even though you're higher than that person in experience. Don't look down on that person, because trust me, everybody have got 1 or 2 things to share that you've never ever come across with in your life. So this is all about making more of DIYs, making more of skincare products. So number 2 is that I'm going to be giving you contacts to where to buy raw materials, skincare raw materials, or body enhancement raw materials, because I said I'll be teaching you how to make skincare products yourself, how to make body lotion, scrubs, glow oil. Like this one, we're making them from scratch. So, and it is a simple DIY. So if you know that you want to start making your own product for yourself, yeah, please stick to this channel, okay? So I'll be giving you contact to buy these raw materials, whether it is herbal raw materials, or skincare cosmetics raw material. I'll be giving you contact free of charge. In fact, if you want to start selling skincare ingredients, or you want to start selling herbal ingredient, that is body enhancement ingredient, then watch out for my second video that I will upload after this video. I'll be giving contact to where you can actually buy all these ingredients from. And I know most of you will come and ask me, I thought you sell raw materials, I thought you sell ingredients. Yes, I used to, but for now I am not selling. So that is why I want to give out this contact to people that will need it, to my customers that have been patronizing me. I want to give you the real contacts where you can actually buy in wholesale and even rebulk, or where you can actually buy in wholesale and make your skincare product, in case you sell skincare product and make huge profit. Trust me, the only way you can make profit from buying from selling skincare products or body enhancement products is when you get contact to where you can actually buy this ingredients in bulk, in wholesale, rather than buying in one or buying from a retailer. You don't make much profit, but when you buy from a wholesaler, you make much profit, even when you use this ingredient to remake your products. So that is for number 2. Number 3, in case you don't know, I am a skincare coach, I am a skincare trainer. So in case you want to start up a skincare business, you want to own a brand, a skincare brand, just like the way I own a skincare brand and the way I also teach on how to make skincare product. Yes, it takes a lot of experiences for you to be good at skincare formulation, and it takes an experienced coach to teach you how to make skincare products that will not make you lose money, waste ingredients at the beginning of your career, at the beginning of your formulation skill. Because trust me, when I started, I learned a lot from my mistake. So I'll be teaching you so that you don't make those mistakes, you don't waste your ingredients, you don't waste your money, because it can be so painful when you buy ingredients, especially in this expensive economy that we have now. You buy ingredients and you make a skincare product and you end up pouring those products away because they weren't stable, or because you made a mistake, or because your cream was grainy, or because your cream separated. All these are experiences I've had and I've conquered them. So I'm going to teach you how to be a pro in skincare formulation. So if you want to start up a skincare business, you want to be a pro, you want to be able to make professional industrial standard skincare product that you can actually drop on your shelf, that will not oxidize, that is change color into brown, or that will not separate, that will be stable until the day your client finish buying, then send me a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen, or go to our website at www.hbmorganicbeauty.com. We have all our classes pre-recorded, so once you purchase any class, immediately you will gain access to start viewing your class, to start learning. And we have a platform in the class for question and answer, and my contact is in the class in case you want to contact me for question and answer. And we have different skincare ingredients vendors or contacts in all our classes, so you're going to be gaining a lot when you enroll for skincare training with me. And also we teach you on how to make body enhancement product. Like I just had my baby today, made it 1 month, and I am back to my normal shape. This is because I know what herbs to combine that help me trim down and remove all my pregnancy fat. So if you want to start up a career for yourself in 2023, you want to learn how to make money, then enroll for our training. And also I sell my skincare product on my website at www.hbmorganicbeauty.com. So despite the fact that I'm a skincare trainer, I also sell skincare products, strictly natural skincare products. I sell them on my website. So if you want to buy glow oil, like I am using my glow oil, like I use my glow oil, you can see my color is coming back, like speedily it's coming back. And I use my brand buttercream. I use the buttercream at night. The buttercream absorbs into the skin very fast. It's actually not a body butter, but it is a buttercream. Okay, so I use the glow oil in the morning, I use the buttercream at night, and we have body wash, we have acne set. Like you guys can see, like you can see my face. You all know that my face is actually the acne type, but like you can see my face. Okay, my everything about my skin is coming back, like it's coming back thanks to HBM Organics skincare product. So you want to learn how you can make your product. Like guys, I'm not going to hide anything, just enroll for our online courses. And also if you want to learn how to make product physically, you want to come for a physical skincare class, of course I'm in my office, I am available. Just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen if you want to enroll for our physical skincare training. Okay, send a WhatsApp message. And for those of you that have chatted me previously that you want to do physical skincare class, I have people that said they want to enroll for aesthetic class, like they want to learn facials, PRP, PRP chemical peel. Yes, I am now available. Like, yeah, I'm back to work. Okay, for those of you that want to do physical skincare class, you want to learn how to make cream one-on-one with me, you want me and you to be doing it together, I am available now. So just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen. So guys, let me quickly go and see my baby. I had to lay her down. So guys, stay tuned, because in the next video I'll actually be giving you contacts to where you can buy your skincare raw materials, your herbal body enhancement raw materials. So just stay tuned, and yes, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.